Hello students. In this session of organic chemistry, we will discuss about mesomeric effect. It is also known as resonance effect. So this is also denoted by M effect also. Mesomeric effect, resonance effect. In short, it is M effect. It involves pi electrons of double as well as triple bonds. Mesomeric effect alli pi electrons ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. It involves only pi electrons of double and triple bonds. In inductive effect, only sigma electrons are involved. In case of electromeric and mesomeric effect, pi electrons are involved. Okay, mesomeric effect is of great importance in conjugated compounds. We can see mesomeric effect in conjugated compounds. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ conjugated compounds andre enu? Okay, we can see mesomeric effect in conjugated compounds. Here conjugated compounds are those in which carbon atoms are linked like this. Suppose this is single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, like this. If carbon atoms are linked single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, like this, then such system is called as conjugated compounds. Such compounds are called as conjugated compounds. In such a system, the pi electrons gets delocalized. Even if pi electrons one kadinda mattond kade move aagta irtade, pi electrons gets delocalized, giving number of resonance structure of the molecule. Bere structure kotirtare. Here I have used the word resonance structure. This is also called as canonical structures, or in aromatic system this is called as canonical structure. Resonance structure means here the position of atom and group of atom remains same, but structures are totally different. ಅಟಮ್ಗಳ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರೆಸೋನೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್. The polarity produced in a molecule. Then how a polarity is produced? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದಿ polarity is produced in a molecule as a result of interaction between two pi bonds or a pi bond and a lone pair of electrons is called mesomeric effect. Okay, the polarity is produced in a molecule as a result of interaction between two pi bonds or a pi bond and lone pair of electrons is called mesomeric effect. And this mesomeric effect transmitted along the chain. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಚೈನ್ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ is transmitted along the chain. And a mesomeric effect, we will write that one also. This effect is transmitted along the chain. In case of inductive effect also, that inductive effect gets transmitted, but as the distance increases, the inductive effect goes on decreases. But here the effect remains same, it transmitted along the chain. And we can have two types of mesomeric effect. First is mesomeric effect is of two types. Mesomeric effect is of two types. One is plus M effect and second one is minus M effect, minus mesomeric effect. Now let us discuss one by one. First we'll discuss plus mesomeric effect, plus M effect. Atoms or groups which loses electrons towards a carbon atom are said to have plus M effect. Okay, The atoms are group of atoms. For example, consider this structure CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond NH2. The atoms are grouped. Here, this nitrogen loses electrons towards carbon atom. The movement of electron takes place like this. Like this. Then this movement takes place like this. Finally, yes. Such type of movement of electrons takes place, and you are going to get another structure CH2 with pair of electrons. It gets negative charge. CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, double bond NH2 plus. Here nitrogen atom loses electrons towards carbon atom, so this effect is called as plus M effect. Atom or group of atoms which loses electrons towards carbon atom are said to have plus mesomeric effect. Examples are the common atoms. Some common atoms or groups which causes plus M effect are Cl, Br, I, NH2, Nr2, OH, OCH3, etc. This is methox group, OH group, N alkylated group, amino group, iodine, bromine, and chlorine. These are some of the examples which cause the positive mesomeric effect. If such type of groups are attached to the carbon atom, they lose electron towards carbon atom, and such effect is called as plus mesomeric effect. Plus mesomeric effect. Now we'll discuss minus mesomeric effect, negative mesomeric effect. Now we'll discuss minus M effect or negative mesomeric effect. Atoms or groups which draw electrons away from carbon atom are said to have minus M effect. Here, electrons are taken away from the carbon atom. In case of plus mesomeric effect, electrons are moving towards carbon atom. Here, electrons are moving away from carbon atom. The some common atoms and group which cause plus M effect are NO2, CHO, CN, COOH, and SO3. These are some of the examples. Okay, I will write it first. Yes, NO2, CHO, CN, COH, SO3H. These are some of the examples. Some of the examples are the groups which cause negative mesomeric effect. They take away electrons from the carbon atom in an organic molecule. Now let us consider one example containing CHO group, containing this CHO group attached to carbon atom containing conjugated double bonds or alternate double bonds. In this example, CHO group is attached to this carbon atom containing double bond. It is having conjugated system, double bond, double bond, and lone pair of electrons like this. Here, the bonded pair of electrons are taken away by this oxygen. This oxygen kade enagthe electrons move agtade. Then this carbon atom finds shortage of electrons. Then the movement of electron takes place from this double bond, yes, like this. And we are going to get a resonance structure like this. Carbon lost electron ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ CH double bond CO minus. here electron ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, so here you are going to get negative charge to this H, and these structures are called as resonance structures. That this position of atom and group of atom remain same. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. And such structures are called as resonance structures. And this mesomeric effect is permanent effect. Mesomeric effect is permanent effect. It does not depend upon the presence of a reagent. Electromeric effect takes place, or you can see electromeric effect only in the presence of attacking reagent. But mesomeric effect, as it is permanent also, and it does not depend upon the presence of a reagent. Whether the reagent is present or not, you can have mesomeric effect. Now let us see plus mesomeric effect and minus mesomeric effect in aromatic system. Now here we have discussed plus and minus mesomeric system in aliphatic system or open chain system. Now let us discuss the examples of minus and plus M effect in case of aromatic system. Now let us see positive mesomeric effect of the benzene ring. We'll consider bromobenzene. Structure of bromobenzene is like this. Here we are having alternate bonds. We are having conjugated system. Conjugated system ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? BR ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. BR is attached to this, and this is having a lone pair of this is having electrons. The movement of electrons takes place from this bromine atom or towards carbon atom. Yes, immediately the movement of electrons takes place like this. ಈ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ BR ಲೂಸಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. Then it gains 2 electrons, so it gets negative charge. Electrons na padkondre negative charge irutte, kalkondre positive charge. If it gains electrons, you have to write negative charge. If it loses electron, you have to write positive charge. Then movement of electrons, but as this conjugate system, the electrons they move like this, and these bonded pair of electrons gets concentrated into the next carbon atom. We are going to get one more structure. It gets electrons minus here BR. Let write electrons and positive charge. Next structure, what happens? The movement of electrons takes place as they form bond, and bonded pair of electrons concentrate to next carbon atom, giving rise to one more structure. ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, and here you are having electrons. It gets negative charge, and here BR, 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here, and positive charge. In next case, these 2 electrons they form a bond like this. So everywhere here movement of electron takes place, means here we have to write double bond. Okay, here you have to write double bond, here double bond, here also double bond, here also double bond, Here what happens, the lone pair of electrons or the pair of electrons, they form a bond that is shown here. Then the movement of this electron takes place here, negative charge. In second case, this negative charge forms a bond already there. Then the bonded pair of electrons, they concentrate to the next carbon atom. In next resonating structure, the lone pair of electrons, the negative charge or the lone pair of electrons or the pair of electrons, they form a bond here. In this bonded pair of electrons, they concentrate to the next carbon atom. Then this pair of electrons, negative charge or the electrons, they form a bond here, and this bonded pair of electrons, they concentrate or they move towards bromine atom. Bond here, here and here. Here Br. This is structure number 1, structure number 2, structure number 3, 4 and 5. And these are called as resonance structures. Or canonical structures. Then what are resonance structures or canonical structures? We can write more than one structure for a given molecule. This is bromobenzene. We can write more than one structure for a given molecule without changing position of these atoms or group of atoms. In all these cases, position of atom and group of atom remains same. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಅಟಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ. All the structures are different, and such structures are called as resonance structures or canonical structures. This is about plus mesomeric effect of the benzene ring. Here the movement of the pair of electrons takes place towards this bond, and you are going to get double bond. Then movement of electron takes place. Finally, this original structure is retained, but these two structures are totally different. The position of double bond is different. So all the 5 structures are totally different, and here we have not changed the position of atom or group of atom. Such structures are called as resonance structures. This is plus mesomeric effect in case of benzene. Now we'll discuss positive negative mesomeric effect. We'll discuss negative mesomeric effect in case of benzene ring. Now let us discuss negative mesomeric effect or minus M effect of the benzene ring. The atoms or group of atoms such as CHO, already we discussed CHO, NO2, CN, COH, SO3H, if such groups are attached to the carbon atom, they show negative mesomeric effect. Here, movement of the electrons are taken away from this carbon atom of this conjugated system. Here, first the oxygen atom takes the electron from this double bond. Then the movement of electron takes place like this. We are going to get a resonance structure like this. This is benzene ring. These two bonds are as it is. Here movement of electron takes place, so carbon atom gets positive charge. Here double bond C, O minus, it gets 2 electrons, O minus, and here H. Next, moment of this is deficient in electrons. Moment of electrons takes place towards deficient center, and we are going to get another resonating structure. Plus charge here, double bond C, O minus charge H. Then movement of this electron takes place, and we are going to get another resonating structure. plus charge here, bonds here, double bond CO minus H. Then movement of electrons takes place, and this negative charge comes here. We are going to get another structure, benzene ring, alternate double bonds, C double bond O, H, and this is structure number 1, structure number 2, 3, 4, 5. As electrons are taken away by CHO group here, and we can get positive charge in, this is ortho position, this is para position, this is another ortho position. So this is example for negative mesomeric effect. Electrons are taken away from this carbon atom, and this negative mesomeric effect and positive mesomeric effect explains most of the properties of benzene ring. Now we'll discuss differences between inductive effect, mesomeric effect and electromeric effect. Differences between inductive, electromeric and mesomeric effects. Inductive effect is permanent effect. Mesomeric effect is also permanent. Electromeric is temporary effect. Here the polarity is produced due to the difference in electronegativity of one atom compared to the other, and here polarity is produced between the conjugated system. But here we can see electromeric effect in unsaturated compounds containing double or triple bonds, and we can see such type of effect only in the presence of attacking reagent. In these two cases, attacking reagent is not necessary, they are permanent effect. Here in inductive effect, it involves a displacement of sigma electrons. In these two cases, the displacement of a pi bonded electrons takes place. Displacement of a pi bonded electron, displacement of pi electrons takes place. Also displacement of pi electrons takes place. Now, inductive effect is shown by compounds containing only single bonds. Electromeric effect is shown by compounds containing double or triple bonds. Mesomeric effect is shown by the compounds containing conjugated bonds. Conjugated bond means double bond, triple, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, and a pair of electrons. Such type of system is called as conjugated system. Single here, inductive effect is shown by compound containing single bonds. Here, compound containing double or triple bonds. Here, conjugated system, single bond, double bond, like that. This is difference between inductive effect, electromeric effect and mesomeric effect.